How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi guys, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee, whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family. This program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here is how the Shopee affiliate program works. First, sign up, head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have tier links, generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. There we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Let's know some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. No upfront investment first. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have a wide range of products. With millions of products available, you have endless options to promote. Then we have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Then we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. So all you have to do, firstly, you have to sign up for the program. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to visit the Shopee affiliate program. You have to open your browser and type into Shopee affiliate program and click over here. As you can see, we have here some information or commissions when your partner. Then we have to learn more. Just get started. Let's click over here, enter. We have here login. You can just, if you have an account, put your phone number, username or email, and your password, and you log in. But if you want to sign up, all you have to do is scroll down and put it and click over here, sign up, and fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. Then you have to agree at the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have here log in, sign up. If you don't sign up, if you don't log in, you have to log in. Then we have here language, English, and you choose the one you want. We have here help, notification. Then we have here various products. As you can see, scrolling down, you have here a lot of information about this website. All you have to do is read it to more understand. All you have to do right now is navigate through the various product categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then you choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niches to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like here, I'm athlete. I love basketball and play basketball. All you have to do is click over here. As you can see, and we have basketball precision 6. There's here our forest shoes. As you can see, Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then, in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then, use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog posts, social media posts, YouTube video, descriptions, email newsletters, and more. Create compelling content. We have when sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here's an example of how to share affiliate links. Firstly, we have blog post by writing a titled review of the products and included affiliate link within the post. We have also Instagram story. Share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the products. You have also YouTube video, use a review video and included the affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. So to maximize your success with Shopee affiliate program, all you have to do here we have some few tips. First, we have promote products you love, focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about, your enthusiasm will come through and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have leverage social media, use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and create content that showcases the products effectively. Then we have create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Then we have optimize your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective strategies. That's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee First program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing great finds into a rewarding income stream. So are you ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee Affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make. So Shopee is the best way to get money easy without find problem in age and upfront costs. So all you have to do is start as soon. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.